Hello again, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to Cabin Fever Crochet. I'm Helene, and we all know what day it is. Well, I had my special big day a few days ago, and now it's your turn for a chance to win two people. I have two different giveaways and chance to win presents that I have put together. I'm going to go over just to kind of recap and refresh the memory for what's in those again, and I'm just going to grab one, and then I'm going to do the drawing. The first winner will get the first one that I show you, and the second person will get the second. But just so you know, you are all winners in my heart, and as I say, and I really do mean it, I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. So a little while back I did an announcement as far as my giveaways, and I said I was going to hold the items when the drawing was done for 3 weeks. Well, I've changed my mind again. I think that's just a little too much time, at least for me it is. But I'm going to just gauge that depending on the type of giveaway and also what's happening in the world, in our country, because you know, life is about change, and with the good and the bad. And as you all know, that there's Hurricane Laura that affected several states, and I have no way of knowing if you are one of the winners, if you're one of the people that have been affected, maybe without electricity, or you know, horribly with so many people, or without homes right now. So I'm going to hold these items. Once I pick the recipients, then you will need to contact me by September 15th, please. And also, if you are out of the United States, there are still restrictions out of the country to certain areas right now also. And so if you are one of those and I'm not able to send you these physical items, then I will send you an e-gift card instead, and then you can pick out some goodies of your own choosing. And if you are to one of the states or the country, excuse me, that I can send these items to, then I will do that. But just so you know, I pay for the base shipping, the shipping to get it to you. And if your country has any duties, taxes, import fees, anything of that nature, that will be your responsibility to pay for those once the items come to you. I can't help that. I have no control over it or no way of knowing what those costs might be. All right, so let's get into it. Celebrate, celebrate, dance to the music, ba-dum-bum. All right, so first up, a very lovely neutral Premier Yarn DK Colors. It's a DK number 3 light, anti-pilling, 100% acrylic, 5 ounces, 140 G's, 383 yards, 350 meters. That should be enough to make a scarf or a cowl or whatever it is that your creative mind comes up with. Okay, and then I'm just, no particular order, I'm just grabbing it and showing you. And then I got another cute little ladybug bag. It's a bag and a pouch, just like this one. I found it, yay! And yeah, the patch is attached on the inside of that, and it has a little key ring, folds up back into itself, makes a nice little project bag or a to-go bag. And because my hands, I mentioned, you know, get dry when I work with yarn and crochet a lot, so I've included a couple of items that I enjoy. This is Desert Essence, and this is their coconut hand and body lotion. So you get one of those. And then a hook, an E 3.5 millimeter soft touch clover hook, ergonomic shape, and 2 little coordinating matching things. These are sticky notes, like post-it notes with yarn themes, alpaca, yarn on, baby, and balls of yarn. Cute. I like those. Almost kept them for myself. Do you ever do that? Buy gifts for someone else and like it so much and keep it for yourself? I've done that, and then one time I did it and I broke it, and I thought, okay, that's a little bit of instant karma for me, and got me thinking more on rethinking that. So then I just buy two. One for me, one for you. Not always though. Okay, and then here's a really cute, you can wipe it, it's little vinyl alpaca with hairdo of yarn. It says Yarn Rules. Remember, get it, haha, because it's a measuring tape, a ruler, and it's a push button right in the center, hidden release. So that is what's behind door number 1. Okay. Remember that show, Let's Make a Deal? I loved watching that with Monty Hall. Okay. Number 2. I used one of my knit crate boxes just to store that in. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Okay, almost forgot what was in here. But I do remember, I'm sorry I don't remember exactly who it was, but this is your favorite hook size, 8mm. It's a USL 11 hook, Yarn-ology, ergonomic. It's sort of soft, sort of not, but it fits comfortably in the hand. So you get a hook as well, and then you get some accessories too. It's a nylon, it's a soft, foldable, packable zip around, or you could put your crochet hooks, other notions, whatever it is you would like to use it for. I love the floral print. Oh, look, kind of goes with my outfit. No, I'm not keeping it, don't worry. And then you get a measuring tape too that coordinates with this, and it's the same type of deal. You can just see a slight raised bump, or you will when you get it. So you've got the same push button release, which is standard and metric. Okay, and then you get a hand lotion from one of my favorite natural companies, Honeybee Gardens, their lemon coconut body lotion. That's very nice. And then 2 skeins of yarn, Hobby Lobby's. I love this cotton, and I really do. And this is color Black Sparkle. You get 2 3-ounce skeins, 180 yards, 135 meters each. So again, you can make something similar, like a scarf or a cowl with that. Okay, well that's it for the recap on the goodies. I don't know. I always need a memory refresher, so there you have it. All right, well, time to get to my computer, and let's pick 2 people. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Do. Get the YouTube comments. There we go. 136 unique comments, and start the raffle. And the winner is, holding your breath, Melinda Wessenforth. Okay, my email address will be listed below, so get in touch with me and let me know your address, your location, and we'll go from there. Oh, and Melinda, you're getting ready to do drop spindling. Yay! Well, I'd love to know how that works out, because I'll be doing mine in the fall. All right, so for the second goodie bag, that was with the blue, the floral. Okay, so we're picking another winner. There we go. Okay. And number 2, Sherry, Addicted to My Crocheting, Montgomery. Woohoo! Your favorite activity in summer is swimming also. Then sitting back and reading a good book. Yeah, nothing like that either. Okay, well, thanks so much, everyone. Sherry, get a hold of me also. Congratulations to you both. Thank you all for participating. It's always a lot of fun for me, and I hope it is for you as well. Alrighty, well, take care. Thanks again for being here. Please come back next time, and remember, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, and share. Okay, see you soon.